When it comes to gaming tablets, Lenovo's Legion line has been one of the most performance-focused on the market, and this year's Legion Tab 8.8 Gen 3 continues that trend. But for serious mobile gamers, this compact tablet blends flagship-level power, smooth visuals, and a design tailored for long sessions on the go. So without further ado, let's dive in. The Legion Tab Gen 3 immediately feels premium in the hand. Its rear is made out of solid aluminum that edges out into the mid-frame. It measures just 7.79mm thin and weighs only 350 grams, giving it a sturdy yet lightweight feel. The compact form factor is great, oriented for mobile gamers who want bigger screen real estate. Available only in Eclipse Black, the colorway complements the overall aesthetic, keeping things sleek and understated. Now, other design features. Here at the rear, you'll find the laser-etched Legion logo placed dead in the middle with some Lenovo branding at the bottom. The main camera module can be found on the upper left corner or right, depending on how you're holding it. In a horizontal orientation, on the top you'll find the volume rocker and the knurled power button with some noise-canceling microphones as well. Speaker grills for its stereo speakers can be found both on the left and right side, with another USB-C port for wired charging and data transmissions also on the right side. There's also the Dolby Vision Atmos branding on the left side. Now, last but not least, is another USB-C port at the bottom, which serves as a more ergonomic charging port when gaming or just using the tablet in landscape mode. Overall, for design, the available color can feel a little understated for some, but without a doubt, it's a very clean look and it gives off a gamer aesthetic with the all-black look. Best of all, it's easy to hold. I mean, you can hold this with just one hand. Very ergonomic. The star of the show, though, is the 8.8-inch Lenovo PureSight display. It's a 2.5K LTPS LCD panel that features a 165Hz refresh rate and touch sampling rate, and the aforementioned Dolby Vision with HDR10 support. So yes, this tablet is Widevine L1 certified, which is great for those who want to stream content in the best quality possible. So whether you're playing fast-paced mobile shooters, RPGs, MOBAs, or just enjoying content on a streaming platform, the panel delivers an enjoyable viewing experience. The 98% DCI P3 color coverage even makes it excellent for content consumption along with creative work. We can even set the color profile to vibrant if we want a more OLED-like experience. On top of that, the Dolby Atmos enabled stereo speakers are more than adequate, but aren't the best we've heard from a device. It delivers full mids with highs a lot more present in higher volumes and lows seemingly present all throughout, but still it does lack a bit of bass. There's no doubt about it though, they're enough to satisfy most if not all users in our opinion. But do note that depending on the content, the overall volume can feel a bit lacking at times, especially when you're below 50%. For biometrics, there isn't any form of fingerprint recognition on the device, but there is an optical face unlock. It serves its purpose in having some kind of biometric security on the device, and recognition works as expected since it's pretty fast too. Now, while not a major focus, the tablet includes a dual camera setup at the rear, composed of a 13-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. In front, you get an 8-megapixel front-facing shooter for selfies and even your face unlock. The quality is actually decent, especially for a tablet, though most users probably won't be using it as their primary camera, but for whatever reason, if you have to, with its very compact dimensions, at least you wouldn't look that silly when you're using it to take photos. Both the main and front-facing cameras perform great overall, whether that's for scanning documents, casual shooting, or even video calls. Where it really falls short though is in low light and macro shots, but like we always say for tablets, it isn't really a big issue in our opinion. What's great about it though is that the images and videos don't come out too overly processed, especially with beauty features completely turned off, which for us is a small win nonetheless. So yeah, you can use this to take photos, but of course you'll still be better off using your phone. Out of the box, the tablet runs on Android 15 with Lenovo ZUI skinned on top. We can expect Lenovo committing to 3 OS updates and 4 years of security patches, something not all gaming tablets offer. The software is fairly tidy and well optimized, but we do get some reloaded apps like Netflix, Nebo, and MyScript Calculator 2 to name a few. We even get app suggestions which we aren't really a big fan of here in the studio. Luckily though, most of them can be uninstalled or removed. We also have Legion Space, which is pretty much a hub for installed games and monitoring performance metrics. Meanwhile, Game Assistant can be launched in-game with a simple swipe, letting us monitor FPS, adjust power modes, or even toggle bypass charging, a feature that powers the device directly without heating up the battery when plugged in. Note that bypass charging only works with the bottom USB-C port, which is this one, and not on this one on the right side. Under the hood, the Lenovo Legion Tab 8.8 Gen 3 sports a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, the same powerhouse chip debuted in 2023, but still delivers noteworthy performance numbers. Configured with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage, you can expect snappy performance and good read and write speeds when you're loading up your apps and games. The vapor chamber cooling system keeps the tablet running cool even during extended gaming sessions. But in practice, of course, the tablet still heats up when you're playing for a long time. Actual gaming on the tablet has been a smooth and effortless experience. We can max out graphic settings in Mobile Legends with no issues. We were able to push graphics in Genshin Impact to highest at 60 FPS and motion blur turned off. We can push it a bit further by setting the tablet to performance mode in Game Assistant. This way, turning on motion blur becomes a non-issue. Now, whether or not you like motion blur, well, that's up to you. Going back, the tablet also includes dual X-axis haptic motors that can kind of add to the immersion when playing any game. It's not really revolutionary, but it's definitely an upgrade compared to just playing on our smartphones, which don't really have that feature. Now, for those of you interested in benchmarks, you can find them on screen. As you can see, they're still very impressive. With a 6550 mAh LiPo battery, the Legion Tab 8.8 Gen 3 manages solid endurance for a compact gaming tablet. It can easily last a full day of casual use or roughly 4 to 5 hours of non-stop gameplay. Thanks to its efficient chipset and smart thermal management, battery drain stays manageable even under load. Charging up the tablet from 0 to 100% with the included 68-watt charging brick took us just 45 minutes, which is pretty awesome. We weren't able to run PCMark's battery benchmark with the tablet, but in our video loop test, it garnered the result of 11 hours and 6 minutes, which pretty much translates to good battery life for the Lenovo Legion Tab 8.8 Gen 3. For connectivity option, the tablet gets Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring ultra-fast wireless speeds and stable connections for controllers and earbuds. Quickly going back to the two USB-C ports, before I forget, they aren't exactly made equal. Again, for reference, we are in the horizontal or landscape orientation. The bottom one is made for high-speed data, bypass charging, and display port out. And the one on the side is a 2.0 port for standard charging or audio pass-through, giving us flexibility for external setups and even wired audio immersion. To wrap up this video, the Lenovo Legion Tab 8.8 Gen 3 is one of the most impressive compact gaming tablets we've seen so far in 2025. It combines pretty much flagship performance, 165Hz 2.5K display, good thermals, and trustworthy build quality, all in a form factor that's comfortable for handheld use. If you're a mobile gamer looking for a compact powerhouse or even a content consumer who wants a small tablet with serious specs, the Legion Tab 8.8 Gen 3 delivers on nearly every front. The Lenovo Legion Tab 8.8 Gen 3 is available locally for 29,995 pesos. Until October 31, 2025, those who purchased the tablet from Game One, Data Blitz, Joneco, PC Express, and Robinson Appliances will get a free Legion Tab folio case, Legion Tab glass film, and GameSir G8 Plus Bluetooth mobile controller worth 3,000 pesos. What do you guys think of the Lenovo Legion Tab 8.8 Gen 3? Would you cop this for a portable gaming tablet or choose something else, assuming there is something similar? Well, whatever the case, share your thoughts in the comments down below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And of course, visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!